Hey everyone, this is Dave from A Walk in the Parks, delivering the best kind of video review, a taste test from Gideon's Bakehouse. This month's video features the limited edition cookie for October, but this time it comes with a catch. October's limited edition cookie from Gideon's is usually the Frankenstein, a delicious tribute to Halloween. However, this year, the Frankenstein cookie came with a bride. That's right, 2 limited editions for this month. Let's get into the review. First up, we'll start with the classic Frankenstein cookie. The description on Gideon's website says, our most popular and irresponsible cookie of the year. The Frankenstein is a Halloween month celebration made from parts and pieces of all the candies you want in your bag, and topped with M&Ms that we lovingly place on the top to be sure you'll get all the colors. Break it open and you'll find crushed Oreo double stuff and chocolate pieces. We're happy to report that this is one of our favorite cookies from Gideon's and may even take the title of our all-time favorite cookie. The combination of flavors is perfection here. Oreo crumbled on the outside and also baked on the inside. The M&Ms, which soften a bit due to the baking process, which actually enhances them as a topping. You still get that perfect chocolate flavor, but there isn't as much of a crunch, which makes eating this one a pleasure. Plus that smooth and creamy cookie dough base that's a hallmark from Gideon's. If you've already watched our cookie tier listing video, you may also know how we feel about this selection. No doubt about it, this one's the top of the list and receives our amazing ranking. Moving on, we tasted the new creation, the Bride of Frankenstein. Gideon's calls this a new flavor, created to give companionship to the Frankenstein. The Bride of Frankenstein arrives. This almost half-pound monster of a cookie is created in the same mold as the Frankenstein cookie, but features white chocolate chips, golden Oreos, and M&Ms. It's very interesting to taste both of these cookies back to back, as they have a couple similarities and differences. We felt that the Bride didn't quite taste as chocolatey as the Frankenstein, which makes sense because it lacks some of the chocolate flavor infused by the Oreos and the chocolate chips in the other version. The white chocolate chips on the inside mainly pack a sweetness into the cookie, which is really nice. You get that same half crunch out of the M&Ms that we also love from the Frankenstein version. Overall, the Bride reminds me of those plain vanilla dough cookies with M&Ms placed into the top that you find at most bakeries. However, this Gideon's version is way better. We struggled placing this cookie into our tier listing. It's quite delicious, especially with all the flavor combinations that make the Frankenstein cookie so good. However, as chocolate lovers, we couldn't push it up into the amazing tier. Instead, you'll find this rounding out our excellent tier. If you're looking for a less intense version of this Halloween specialty, the Bride is the one for you. Thanks so much for watching our October limited edition taste test review from Gideon's Bakehouse. If you enjoyed it, we have videos for most of Gideon's year-round offerings in our Gideon's Bakehouse taste test review playlist. And if theme parks are your thing, feel free to check out our weekly theme park walkthroughs. We'll see you in the next one.